My mother has been deaf for most of her life. While she lives her life to the fullest, living in a hearing-oriented world can offer challenges in everyday life. For deaf people and people with heavy hearing impairments, it is difficult to hear simple household signals like the doorbell, the telephone, or maybe even a fire alarm. Making sure that these signals reach the deaf person in a timely manner can be of vital importance, preventing uncomfortable situations or maybe even life-threatening ones.
Our vision is to improve the life quality of people with heavy hearing impairments. We want to offer a tool which makes everyday sound signals more detectable with our easy-to-use and personalized product, FeelSignal.
Current systems transmit these signals through light flashing devices or vibrating bracelets worn in the house. The problem with these things is that these light flashing devices need to be available in every room, so you need several of them, and the bracelets are solely for the purpose of vibrating household signals. So people don't really want to wear them when they're outside of the house. Sometimes they look funny. It's not ideal.
So we aim to create a system where sound signals are transmitted to a smartphone or smartwatch. So this will produce a vibrating signal which will notify the deaf person of, for example, the doorbell, baby phone or fire alarm.
The FeelSignal will be a combined system of hardware and software. The hardware will be a series of small devices which will be able to sense a specific household signal and send this over a Wi-Fi connection to the designated smartphone or smartwatch. For example, if the doorbell goes off, the FeelSignal door module connected to the doorbell will send a signal to the smartphone or smartwatch, where it will be processed by an app. When the hardware element sends the signal through a wireless network to the smartphone, the device will start to vibrate, giving a tactile signal to the deaf person. Also, the screens of the devices will depict where the household signal is coming from by an image of the customer's choice, for example a door, a smoke alarm, a household telephone or the baby phone, which will allow every customer to customize each owner.
Our system uses already existing Wi-Fi networks and smartphones, thus making our product inexpensive, while at the same time FeelSignal is easily adaptable to the personalized customer needs. The advantage of FeelSignal to other alternatives on the market is that FeelSignal is user-friendly. It eliminates the need for multiple flashing devices and unifies all signals on one device, such as a smartphone or even smartwatch. Therefore, FeelSignal greatly improves the quality of life among people with disabling hearing loss.
Our goal for the first year is to start with a large-scale customer validation in order to optimize our business plan. Our ambition is to have built both the software and the hardware of the prototype and then test the product within the deaf community.
At the same time, we plan to find investors for our project and foremost the prototype expenses. Our objective is to create the highest possible customer value with our product.
With the financial support of the HUWIB prize money, we will be able to set up the first prototype of FeelSignal. The prize money would cover engineer's salary, the material needed to combine the 3 different parts of the hardware element, and the creation of the app that will be then installed on the customer's smartphone or smartwatch.
FeelSignal will definitely improve the quality of my mother's life. I feel that she will never ever miss a signal again.